The Real Madrid star forward player Kylian Mbappe has been left out of the France squad for the upcoming UEFA Nations League games. Kylian Mbappe is reportedly no longer interested in playing for the France national team. This follows after his poor performance with his current team Real Madrid, after Real Madrid fans blame him for Real Madrid loss. According to 90 Minutes News, Mbappe has not been selected for Les Bleus upcoming matches against Israel on November 14 and Italy on November 17. Rumors circulating saying that he even thinks of rumors circulating rumors circulating saying that Mbappe even thinks of retiring from football because of the pressure he's getting from fans and his fellow teammates.